What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and in this video we have a very special package from Amazon. So these are the Realme wireless earphones. So let's quickly go ahead and do the unboxing and see what all we have inside. So the price is 1800 rupees and this is the box itself that says Realme Buds Wireless, Real Bass Unwired. We have the picture of the earphone itself and a couple of branding on the top and bottom. On the back we have some key specifications like magnetic control, 11.2 mm bass boosted drivers, and we have 12 hours of playback, flexible neckband. This is of course IPX4 sweat proof and Bluetooth 5.0. So let's quickly break the seal which is on the top and the bottom of the package and see what all we have inside. So once we cut through the package, we have the earphone itself, and on the bottom we have a separate compartment. So let's quickly see what all we have inside. So we have the micro USB charging cable, which is really cool because we have the yellow shade in it, and we have the extra ear tips for different ear sizes, and we have the warranty card and the user manual. So this is the earphone itself. Of course, we have the flexible neckband, which is really comfortable when you wear them. On the left hand side we have the Realme branding, and on the right hand side we have the couple of button layout, that is the play and pause to pick up and end calls. We have the volume up and volume down, as well as the LED light. So we have these two buds which are magnetic, and they have magnetic control. So once they are stuck together, they automatically shut, and once you just separate them, they automatically get turned on. So to connect this, we have the usual setup that we have with all the Bluetooth earphones. You just need to make sure that both the buds are separated when you want to pair them, and you will see this blinking light on the earbuds that will help you to identify that the earphones are getting connected to the phone itself. So this is a really good product. I mean, if you are looking something to buy for a price of rupees less than 2000 rupees, then definitely you should go for this. And yeah, that's it for a quick unboxing. Do read this video, comment down in the comment section, and do subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Aftab. Have a great